Garlic is a crop that grows well in tropics and subtropics. It has an insect and disease controlling properties, and its bulb is used as a botanical pesticide, which is insecticidal, anti-feedant, repellant, fungicidal, bactericidal, and it's very effective against ticks. Garlic is very effective to get rid of bollworm, aphids, wireworm, beetle, mites, ants, housefly, and many other. So these are the things that we need in doing the garlic pesticide. Garlic, mineral oil. This is a pure mineral oil. Next is the sprayer, hand sprayer, and the liquid soap. This is for the sticking agent of the substance during spraying process. Crush the garlic. So this is now ready to soak overnight. Before soaking, we will just add mineral oil. Okay. And we will just need to soak this overnight. After soaking overnight, we will just need to have 1 liter of water, and then we will put this one inside and mix this well. And then we will add the liquid soap. We will just add a little bit. This is for the sticking agent of the substance during spraying process. Okay, the liquid soap has nothing to do with the insecticidal properties of the garlic. It is just an aid, a sticking aid for the substance to stick properly at the leaf during the spraying process. garlic pesticide is now ready for application. It is best applied during early in the morning and then late in the afternoon for best result.